Welcome back to KTN Prime. We continue informing you. We cross over to Isiolo County right now, where the supremacy battle is ongoing, with battle lines being drawn between the governor of Isiolo, Abdi Guyo, and members of the county assembly who are out to impeach the first-time governor.
The governor is facing allegations of abuse of office, gross misconduct, and gross violation of the constitution.
Clement Masombo with the details.
The last few days have seen Isiolo County come at a standstill as Governor Abdi Guyo's supporters and MCAs opposed to his leadership take each other head-on. Just yesterday, there were running battles as supporters clashed over a move to impeach the governor, forcing the police to lob tear gas canisters at warring sides. Political wrangles in the county have today escalated, with members of the county assembly tabling a motion to impeach Governor Abdi Guyo on the grounds of abuse of office, gross misconduct, and gross violation of the constitution and other statutory laws. The members have initiated the public participation exercise across the county.
The county governor has violated Chapter 6 by insulting community leaders, including religious leaders, council of elders, youth and women leaders.
Sisi tutatembea hii Isiolo usiku na mchana pasipo uoga. Hatutausiwa uoga. Tutatembea usiku na mchana.
Unapeleka pesa Nairobi, there is no cash flow in Isiolo. People are suffering.
A section of the residents of Isiolo have pledged their support for the motion, accusing the governor of failing to fulfill some of the promises he made during the campaign.
Assembly work on a constitutional right. They have mandate to send the governor home. If they have done this, we need to thank them, because wao wamefanya kazi yao. Sisi tukiwa hapa tuna support hawa watu, because hawa wakiwa pale sisi ndio tumeweka hapo.
County employees don't have money, chief officers don't have money. There is no circulation of money in Isiolo County.
The governor has, however, dismissed those advancing the impeachment motion, saying it is politically motivated. He accused his detractors of being behind the impeachment attempt.
Wale wanapiga nduru sana ni wale mbwenyenye ambaye wamezoea kukula mali ya Isiolo County. Ile pesa tuko nayo ni ya kuhudumia wananchi. Tumeelewana jameni? Mimi najua MCAs wamechaguliwa kama mimi.
On Wednesday, rowdy youth believed to be supporters of the governor surrounded the county assembly premises in an attempt to block the MCAs from proceeding with the discussing of the motion. It called for the intervention of anti-riot police to manage and calm the situation. However, the governor has pledged to reach out to the MCAs and settle any differences between them.
Hawa waheshimiwa sio watu wabaya. Tumeelewana? Ni watu wazuri sana. Lakini walikuwa wamechanganywa kidogo, wakaweka fitina kidogo, wakafanya ile mambo wamefanya. Lakini mimi nitawatafuta, tukae nao chini kwa sababu hatutaki maendeleo ya Isiolo County isimame.
If the county assembly of Isiolo will succeed in impeaching the governor, then he will become the fourth to join the long list of governors who have been impeached. Some of those successfully impeached and their impeachment upheld by the Senate include Kawera Mwangaza of Meru, Mike Sonko of Nairobi, and Ferdinand Waititu of Kiambu. Others who were impeached but survived in the Senate include Anne Waiguru of Kirinyaga, Mwangi wa Iria, then serving as the governor of Murang'a, Paul Chepkonyi of Kericho, Granton Samboja of Taita Taveta, and Martin Wambora of Embu. Clement Masombo, KTN.
From Isiolo, let's head